In this video we will create this PCB board that can be used as electromagnet. So here we have this PCB and then I have this magnet on this. And if you want to create the same animation, you just add this PCB component and this magnet, and then from this edit joint you have to use this motion, and then you have this animated motion here, and you can click this. First we have to create new electronic design, and now we can create new schematic. And here we will use this connector. We can place it here. I will mirror this. And then we have this simple wiring like this. And that's it. Now we can go to this PCB we have and start creating this coil. First we can move this board line smaller. So I will use it like this. Then we can place this connector here. I will place this connector at this 10 millimeters. Change this to 2. And now we can draw these lines. I will use this to 254. And for this, I will use this 90 degrees. I will pause video now. Now we have done it here. Now we can press middle mouse button to create this via here. And then we can draw this back here on this bottom plane. And now we basically have this all done here. We can push the 3D model. And here we have this PCB electromagnetic coil.